Morning, ma'am. Please take out your English book. And see on the page number 66. Truth. Barry Vade. The poet is Barry Vade, and please see on the page number 66. I reading aloud loudly, and you see on the page number 66. Stick and stones may break my bones, but words can also hurt me. Stone and stick break only skin, while words are hooks that haunt me. Slant and cover the fall words and swords, the pierce and stick inside me. See on the page number 36. Don't laugh. Pen from words has left his scar on mind and heart that's tender. Cuts and bruises now have healed. It's word that I remember. Do you understand this poem? Truth. Do you understand? I explain in Urdu.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Stick and stones may break my head. This line means छड़ी डंडे और पत्थर मेरी हड्डियां तोड़ सकते हैं. But words can also hurt me. लेकिन लफ्ज में जख्मी हो जाते हैं. किसी के कहे हुए अल्फाज से हम जख्मी हो जाते हैं. Stone and stick break only skin. जो होते हैं पत्थर और डंडे, ऐसे हमारी जिल्द फट जाती है. लेकिन while words are hooks that haunt me. लेकिन लफ्ज शैतान की तरह हमारे पीछे पड़ जाते हैं. वो अल्फाज जो हमारा दिल दुखाते हैं, ऐसे अल्फाज. Slant and cover the fall words. निकले हुए लफ्ज ढलान से टेढ़े मेढ़े होकर तलवार की तरह मुझ पर चुभते हैं. To pierce and stick inside me means मुझको चुभते और अंदर तक जख्म करते हैं. Bats and bricks में act through wounds. लफ्ज मुझे शर्मिंदा करते हैं. Bats and bricks में act through wounds, but words can mortify me. लेकिन लफ्जों से होने वाला दर्द अपने निशान छोड़ जाता है. Pain from words has left its scar. लफ्जों से होने वाला दर्द अपने निशान छोड़ जाता है. On mind and heart that's tender. मेरे नाजुक दिल और दिमाग पर. Cuts and bruises now have healed. It's word that I remember. जख्म और जख्म के निशानात भर चुके होते हैं, लेकिन लफ्ज हमेशा हमको याद रहते हैं. Now friend, this is the poem Truth, and this is the difficult words. Who is read this word? Very good. Please come, you. Truth. Read what? Difficult words. Stick. छड़ी. Bones. हड्डियाँ. Not balls. Bones. हड्डियाँ. Hand. पीछा करना. Slant. ढाल. Sword. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. Sword. तलवार. Press. Pierce. चुभना. Bricks. Eat. Act. दर्द. Mortify. शर्मिंदा होना. Scar. जख्म का निशान. Bruises. घाव. Lead. जख्म भरना. Good. Antonym words. Forget. Remember. Rise. Fall. Outside. Inside. Synonym words. Injury. Bruise. Delicate. Tender. Act. Scar. Embarrass. Mortify. Very good. Then Now student, in this poem, the poem truth is about the words. The poet says that stick and stones may break or bones and skin, but harsh words haunt him like a ghost. Poet compares harsh words with slant and coward words which pierce us deeply. Harsh words have a power to mortify someone. Our injury may healed by the time, but scare due to harsh words on our mind remains forever. So my dear student, I asked some questions. My first question is, do you speak the truth all the time?
No, we do not speak the truth all the time.
Very good. Always? Next question, why do we tell lies?
When we hide something from others, we tell lies.
Good. Next question, how can words haunt someone? Yes, Danish?
Words which are spoken harshly or unkindly can hurt someone.
Good. My next question, why should we take care of using proper words while speaking?
Words can make or break relation.
Good. Next question, how do we break relationship?
Our harsh words break our relationship.
Yes. Our harsh word break our relationship. Our harsh words break our relationship. We break our relationship by telling lies and hunting emotion of others. And words can make or break relationships. So it is very important to take care while speaking. Our harsh words can haunt others. So we should speak pleasantly with others. My dear student, this is the poem, The Truth. Do you understand this poem?
Yes.
Very good.